You keep getting stuck in flats because you're trading based on what looks good. Sounds familiar? Yeah, visually the market seems like it's moving, but in reality, it's just noise. That's why I use a specific tool that shows me whether there's an actual trend or not, the ADX indicator. Today I'll show you how it works and how to use it to filter out weak moves, so you only trade when the market is really moving. ADX is an indicator that measures how strong a market move is, whether it's trending up or down. It has 3 lines. Blue line is the main one. It shows the overall strength. If the blue line is low, under 20, the market is weak, almost no movement. Better to stay out, because price could consolidate. But if the blue line climbs above 25, that's your green light. The trend is gaining strength. Time to start looking for entries. As you could notice, there is also a red line that shows bull strength, and a yellow line, bear strength. If red is above yellow, bulls are in control. If yellow is above red, bears are dominating. The wider the gap between the lines, the stronger the trend. For example, the red line is above the yellow one. The lines are far away from each other. This is a signal to enter up, and vice versa. But here's the catch. Crossovers between red and yellow can signal a trend reversal, but not always. So you should always check the blue ADX line too. If red and yellow lines are crossing, but ADX is still above 25, the trend is likely still strong. Price might just be pulling back to the closest level and then continue the move. If you only trade short-term setups, be extra careful, because pullbacks can shake you out if you're not ready. But what if you open a chart and see the red and yellow lines constantly crossing? Relax. It's not the end of the world. It just means the market has no clear direction. Price is bouncing from level to level and can react to each of them. Skip those charts. Focus only on clean trends. Another big tip: never rely on indicator alone. ADX plots data alongside price. It doesn't predict. Always use it together with other elements of technical analysis. In my previous video about the Quotex indicator, I showed exactly why ignoring this rule can cost you trades. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes. You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade. And that's it. Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Now let's go step by step through real examples. First trade. I always start by defining the trend. I open the chart, draw a trend line, and clearly see price bouncing along an upward trend. Now check the ADX to avoid a pullback. Blue line is above 25, so the strong trend is confirmed. Red line is above yellow, and the gap is wide. Bulls are fully in control. Now you can look for an entry. I mark key support and resistance zones. Price is currently testing resistance. Closely watch volatility. Candles shrink. It means that volatility drops. Exactly what I want to see before a breakout. And there, we see a big green candle in the trend direction. I set expiration time for 18 minutes. Because with low volatility, price moves slower. You have to give it time to build momentum. Trade closes in profit. Second trade. Now let's lock it in. Downtrend setup this time. I check ADX. Blue line above 25, so it's a strong trend. But now the yellow line is above the red one, and the gap is wide. The indicator is showing a strong downtrend, and I'm going down. I draw my trend line in zones. Look, the price is moving lower, bouncing off resistance. Right now, price is testing support, and I'm watching the candles. There's a small pullback, then a big red candle smashes through the level. I open a put trade for 18 minutes. Price hasn't broken the level yet, only tested it. And even if it pulls back to the trend line, I'm safe because of the extra expiration time. Another trade closes in profit. Remember, ADX itself doesn't give you a perfect entry. It plots alongside price, but it's an amazing filter to avoid weak and even dangerous setups. It helps me trade only when the trend is real and confirmed. That's why I don't waste time on every random move. I only go for quality trades. You can find even more real examples and full breakdowns on my channel. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.